What's up, hackers? Welcome to Hacker Warehouse TV, a great show for InfoSec namers. I'm your host, Troy Brown, and today we just want to say thank you. Season 1 was absolutely great. We got to show off some tools from our world-class hacking kit, chat with some of our favorite people in the industry, and we got a lot of feedback. We appreciate every one of you who took time out of your day to check us out. And frankly, we were blown away by how many of you stopped by our booth at DEFCON 25. And we plan to see you all again at DEFCON 26. For Season 2, we plan to continue expanding on our involvement in the community and bring in some new content that covers a wide range of topics. Also, we'll be bringing in some new guests with a wide array of expertise. We can't say who these guests are quite yet, but we're excited about it, and I'm sure you will be as well. Thanks again to all of you for contributing to our growing community. For those of you who are new to the channel, feel free to check out our entire Season 1 on YouTube. And if you have any neato suggestions for hacks or gear you want to see in Season 2, just let us know in the comments. And while you're at it, feel free to spread the love and share this channel with a fellow hacker. Once again, this is Troy with Hacker Warehouse TV. Until next time, remember, keep it between the laws.